This is an automation tool that is used for live football match analyzing. Tool used for processing data from a specific application or website where the bet odds are being fetched or read by the automator and then analyzing them. Now the application pushes the data into your server or any destination. Like here, you see, so this is now reading the data and then it is posting the data to the server like that automatically, and it goes back, reads again for the next method. Okay, you see here it is doing by itself, no one is touching it. So it clicks buttons, it reads the data, and then it closes the buttons, clicks to close the specific data, do the calculations, and then post the data to somewhere where you can read them or you can trace the data. See, like this. So it is automatically reading the data. It goes to the specific page, clicks the match, and then reads the data like that. See? So this is for a football analyzing tool, and it is automatically reading in real time. As you see now, time is 80:50, and the data being posted also the same read 50. You see here, 18:50. Okay. Okay. So you see the matches being read on there is Los Angeles versus Flamengo. Okay, that is being read, and the method is now pack of two goalkeeper. We have four methods. That is the last. So now we go to the next match. And you see the application is scrolling through the matches and then reads the match. Okay, and then do the magic. So it reads go there. For example, this one, Palace de Tunis. Now it has done it. Okay, it's going to the next method. Now the data is here live. Okay, all right. Then it goes to the next method, which is packed of two goalkeepers. Then it reads the data, the specified data. If data not available, then it skips the method, goes to the next method. After that, it pauses. It pushes the data to the destination, the server where you can feed the data to the website. Like here, we have this is a live website web page where data are being automatically pushed after the automator or the bot has finished reading, processing, and doing mathematical observation or calculation. Then pushes them to the remote server, and then you take the data and you try or use them as you want. Okay. All right. So if the match is not a football game, then the automator skips. See, like here. So this is not a football; it is a tennis game. Now we only deal with football, so they are automatically skipped. So it reads them, goes there, check if it's not a football game, then pushes that football game out of the analysis. Okay, that was a basketball game. Now it's not the one we want. Now it's pushing away, goes back to select another. It also scrolls, scrolls up and down to check. Right? Okay, so that's how it goes. It goes. So if it reaches to the end, it must scroll so up so that it can start from the beginning. Okay, that's how it's going. Now that's also not a it's not a football game. So it's going to another Minnesota Twins. As I post basketball goes to Chicago. That's not a football game to go. You must scroll up. It's also not a football game. Okay, scroll again. That's also not a football game. Scroll again. Go back. That's also not a football game. Okay. Now scrolls down. Los Angeles. That's also not a football game. Okay. Now I see. So that's also it's not a football game. Dialog Burema. So this is a football game now. So it is now analyzing a football game. So after analyzing, we have four methods now. So it starts with the first method, then the data being posted down here. You see, being posted. If here goes to the next match, I mean the next match method, analyze it, get the data, and post them. See, all right. That's how it is. So if you will, you need a book that analyzes multiple games for uh, baked odds. Please make sure you check us, reach out, and we're gonna do a portfolio. Okay, we'll be doing a very good report like this. See, now it's going back, check if it is a football game, and then analyze it, and then it comes to. I'm curious. I want to check if this port goes back to the first game when the list is being analyzed to the end. Will it back to the scroll back to the top and then start from the beginning? You see, now we have a match game which must be a bet. So you see that observation. So if Panama and Jamaica see they draw with that, that X means it's a draw and it's good. You can bet that. You see the observation that is less than that month, which is 3.5, then we say yes. The other ones, no, not like you see, there must be less or they are not all the same, so that's not okay. See, so we have pre-information, so pre-data that we compare, automatically compare and then do the conclusion. See, now we got another match here. 3.1 is less than 3.5, then we got a match which should be activated. It's a bet, man. It's a bet, man. You can bet it and make some money. People bet know what I'm talking about, right? Now you see, now we got another football game here, which is Honduras. Honduras. So we go through our four methods, each doing the analyzing. You see now there? Yeah, that's what I was talking about. So we have all the games being processed. Then after we start, we find the games which are not on the list. Okay. 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 Which game is not on the list? Now I process. So I'm curious. I wanted to let's see football. I see Canada because that's about that's not processed now. It's being processed. So each and every game on the list must be processed. See, each and every game. See, okay, this is a good thing, man. It's very good. Hmm. Wow. Now here. Okay, okay. So it does that, makes the processing, and then you collect the data, do the calculation, now post the method. Oh, now see now the method here being posted. You see it's in lead time, yeah? This is 18 hours, 59. Okay, the same to this device on the mobile and the same for this laptop here. Okay, so now let's start again. Now we start from the beginning. Now it's starting from the beginning. Benfica, Bayern Munich. Now it started doing this job again. Now see, let us see the Benfica versus Bayern Munich. Who will win? Okay, the method is not good, it's not favored. Now you see we got a X 3.0. Something is good there. So for betting guys, they know how this data works. Okay, they know which one will win, which will lose, and who is beneficial here. Right? Yeah, man. Okay, so still going on with the next method. Now we got a 4, so here 3 remained with the 1, and then we got the next match. Okay. All right, now let's go to the next match, which is Auckland City versus Boca Juniors. Okay, see, now that's all the head. Now let's go to this match, which is that one. Now see, being analyzed, and then posted here. See that being posted. So if the match is the method is not having any data we expect, then we the automated skips the method goes to the next method. Yeah, I understand this thing. So this is how it is, and this is how it works. No one is touching anything; it's just doing it on its own. Okay. Okay. As a reminder, if you wish to have a bot, you just bring a data set for yourself. You tell me what exactly you want the bot to be, what data to extract and how to do the calculation or observation. Then I'll make the automation for you. Everything will be automated. You won't touch anything anywhere. You just put the bot live, click the first button to allow it to start the processing of automation, then use it back to save the automation doing its job like this. Nobody's touching anywhere, just doing it, filling the data, putting them in lead time. Can do the observation, can do the data analysis by yourself if you want. Yes, that's how it is. Okay. Thank you very much. I think you're gonna check me. Let's do this one thing. Let's make more bodies, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Signing out. See you later.